Meaning of doormat.
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 Doormat. A doormat is a mat placed at the entrance of a doorway to wipe dirt and debris from shoes before entering a building. It can be made of various materials such as rubber, coconut fibers, or synthetic fibers. The main purpose of a doormat is to keep the interior space clean by removing any outdoor particles from footwear. A doormat may also be used decoratively or to provide a welcoming message to visitors. Overall, a doormat is a functional and practical item that helps maintain cleanliness in homes and buildings.